Little Kingdom.
Hello kids, welcome to Little Kingdom. Today we are going to learn the small letter J with pictures. Children, this is small letter J. J. The sound of this letter is Ja. The sound of this letter is Ja. Joker. J for Joker. J for Joker. Ja as in Joker. Ja as in Joker. Jam. J for Jam. J for Jam. Ja as in Jam. Ja as in Jam. Jelly. J for Jelly. J for Jelly. Ja as in Jelly. Ja as in Jelly. Jar. J for Jar. J for Jar. Ja as in Jar. Ja as in Jar. Jacket. J for Jacket. J for Jacket. Ja as in Jacket. Ja as in Jacket. Jellyfish. J for Jellyfish. J for Jellyfish. Ja as in Jellyfish. Ja as in Jellyfish. Now let's learn together. J. J for Joker. J for Jam. J for Jelly. J for Jar. J for Jacket. J for Jellyfish. Now let's learn with sound. Ja. Ja as in Joker. Ja as in Jam. Ja as in Jelly. Ja as in Jar. Ja as in Jacket. Ja as in Jellyfish. Thank you.